I don't want to answer you no more. Every time I do, you hurt me. It's not like Beetlejuice. I think this kid likes me too much. Ow! Hey! Let go of my legs! What are you doing? What are you doing? I am not a pretzel. Can you cut it out, please? Please stop hurting me. Ow!
I turn you to Thomas.
I don't want to be Thomas.
But yes.
I don't want to be Thomas.
Everybody like you, and they'll like you, and like you more, and get to die.
I don't care.
And then
I'm good with letting my freak flag fly. Chill out. Stop. That hurts.
Thomas, and then you turn and
Stop touching me.
and then you turn you to a choo doll.
Stop touching me. That's it. I'm gonna eat you.
Never.
Arr! You can't eat him. I want to eat him. What are you doing, Dexter? That isn't very nice.
Okay.
That isn't very nice.
Here you go.
Ow! Now I'm dead. Oh!